think it's iconic, right? We could say, like that song, iconic. Good morning. I'm just having a visit now. You ready? So this is Kev. He's just getting set up for an interview now.
How's it going?
So he has an interview, and it's tough. It's getting tougher. You know, now that everybody has degrees, everybody's looking for jobs, and the interviews are getting even tougher and tougher. And that's one thing I hated about. Yeah, I've got orange juice there. One thing I hated about, you know, going for work, job interviews and whatnot, is that they ask you this question. What's the first question they ask you, Kev? What value would you add to my company? It's like, what you want? I'm a gold mine, you know? The Amazon box. That's the office right there.
Stuff on bottom now we have.
Went well though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I hope so.
I hope so. Well, let's say you just have to keep pushing for it. I mean, you're ready, you got your experiences, all that.
Well, you already have your experience, you already have the mentality, you think you do. That's why you apply for it, because it's think you're suitable for the position, so just go out there and give your 100%, man.
That's it. Might get this soon, huh?
Not the way.
You go over there, I'll go over there. Not every day we eat like this. This is like processed food isn't great for you, but when you're working too much, you don't have time. Some of you already know, if you're in the office, the best thing you'll get is like a sandwich. So,
Hey man, you win some, you lose some. When you have no time.
that's it. So the main thing in starting a business, online business, whatever it is, clothing line, whatever it is, I think the main thing is, a lot of people watching this will want to do something like this. It's to use other ideas, right? There's ideas out there that are not working out. And I think the best thing to do in that case is find out what is not working out and alter it to meet your own, like, and have that working for you. It's simple. Now, a lot of people watch this be like, if an idea is so simple, if starting a business is so easy, why doesn't everyone do it? Well, not everybody's willing to take that risk, or the stress, or the hard work, or the persistence, or all these things that come with starting a business, right? So if everyone will say, it's so easy, well, why don't you do it? It's because of that, right? Like I said, nobody wants to, just like looking for a job, nobody wants to go out there and look for a job and stress out, you know, being consistent with looking for a job. It's similar with business. If you don't push hard, you know, like I said, it's easy. Anybody can do it. Online business is easy. Anything you want to do, starting anything is easy, but not many people make it.
Yeah, there's unique ideas, and there's also common ideas out there. When we're talking about common ideas and perspective, it's the difference between them people is how they do it and how they actually represent that idea, and that's how people success in the common ground of ideas.
So I just ate, and my friend now is gonna come pick me up. We're gonna go do some photo shoots for him. I might get a photo shoot as well, have him take a picture of me, because I'm not gonna hold the camera for him forever, right? So I think there he is, actually. See that white car coming up? That is Eddie. You ready, son?
It's time, man.
Let's go.
Perfect.
Ten so dark you cannot see who I'm riding with. Diamond glisten all up in my watch, can't tell what time it is. Diamond clusters all up in my watch, they got you blind as shit. I tired of beat up and
It's getting darker and darker, and we're looking for the spot now to get the shots for him. And yes, I'm wearing that hoodie I bought, the pink one, and I also have another pink t-shirt under it, but we need a spot with lighting.
I think down there might be a good spot.
But you see this building, let me show these guys. You see this building, it's lit, right? or maybe if you stand in the middle of the road. If he stands in the middle of the road and I just shoot it, what you think, Eddie?
Don't know, man. Don't know.
Look, all these cars coming here. I think it would be good if he stands in the middle of the road, right, and have all the cars kind of. That's gonna be dangerous, man. What you think?
Dangerous, man. That's what I love about it.
All right, let's go.
Fuck it, yeah, I'm on some body shit. Woo! Don't wanna tell you again. Woo! I might tell the bitch to bring a friend. Drop the top and open.
You wanna shoot here, yeah?
Give it a show here.
All right. This whole graffiti. You know what? There's the next spot. This is where we're taking them. You ready?
Up here?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get it. So we literally just took about 10 pictures and we said that's it. It's over. Right? Because it's gonna get darker and darker. But I think we got one or two good ones. I might use one of them for the thumbnail, I don't know. So what I want to say now, because I always like to spit some truth. If you have something in mind, a hobby, go chase it. It doesn't matter what it is. If you have something that you want to do, go for it. Don't care what anybody says. Right? Because we have same mindsets, me and Eddie, I usually take them all with me to these vlogs. And even now we're gonna walk past people. This is a new thing, vlogging where I'm from. It's a new thing, isn't it?
It is.
So
In Ireland, it's like you don't see that much.
you don't see it that much. And now you're gonna have all the attention, like, but we don't like the attention. So especially when you're wearing pink, right? So when you're wearing pink, it's a bit difficult.
That makes it different now, does it?
Take you. Now people just, you just look out of place, right? Beautiful day, is it?
It is, man.
You were singing something a minute ago. Why don't you continue, huh? Don't be
I don't have the voice for it.
don't be shy, or be shy. It's up to you. So this is the bridge. I think if you come to Dublin, you'll know where I am. Well, this is like the most popular bridge. Everybody gets pictures here. I think it's iconic, right? We could say, like that song, iconic. So what I was gonna say is, we're gonna go back to the car. And I do want to end this vlog here, but we're gonna get a few shots, so I don't know if we're actually gonna vlog more. Are we gonna vlog more? I don't think so. But I just wanted to take you all with me with this one. We're here in the center, city center, right? I think I'll get crucified for that if I say the center without saying the city center. So if you ever want to visit Dublin, this is where you come to. But this was the day in the life, what is it? Day in the life of a fitness model. Not me. I'm not fitness material, right? I used to be, but Eddie. And you might see him in different vlogs because I do want to get him started on this journey of his. And what kind of friend would I be if I don't help him out with this, right? So I'll see you again for another, just like always, and peace and love.